What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to go over a tax-ready document you can hand to your CPA using Go2lister, our profit and loss, some new features that are really going to help you guys understand what the heck's going on with your inventory. And yeah, let's just dive into it. These are all Go2lister Pro features. And if you guys haven't already, DM me. I'll get you access. And good news for all you guys is you're getting grandfathered in. So everyone who has an active Go2lister subscription now, you're grandfathered in, and as long as you don't cancel, you'll keep this. In the future, users are going to pay 20, 30 bucks a month. We're working on adding a new tier to Go2lister. But if you're watching this video and you already have a Go2lister account, you're good to go with these features. And again, if you don't have access, just DM me or reply to the email and I'll get you access. So with this report here, all you're going to do is click on transaction report, and then you're going to go to upload new, and you're going to upload one document. Get this document from Seller Central. So go to Seller Central, click on the hamburger icon in the top left. Excuse me. Scroll down to payments, reports repository, and then you're going to select the date range through yesterday. So today's the 4th. So be sure to do it for the day before today. Otherwise, it'll take 12 plus hours to load. It won't load till the next day. So go ahead and get that. Download your report. It's called the transaction file. And then here, you're just going to upload it. And this is going to give you a tax ready document. You can screenshot this and send it to your CPA. It's going to have all your cost of goods and what Amazon actually paid you. So this report balances with what Amazon paid you. That's what I love about it. For years, I ran a consignment business. You guys might remember restrictedinventory.com for all my OGs. But basically, we had thousands of clients that we had to run reports for. And this is the most accurate report we could use. Now, the profit and loss tab, this is also great. And this is more for operating. So what this is going to do, I have this set for month to date here. This is going to show you how your business is doing. And this is all connected to the API. This is all automatic. You don't have to do any uploading of documents. This is really to see like, how am I doing on a daily basis? And if you guys use any other competing softwares, Inventory Lab, Seller Board, they're not really tax ready. That's why I added the tax report, because I was just like, it's not really going to be good for your taxes, honestly, because this is like, let's just say for the month of December, it's going to tax you on stuff that wasn't actually paid out to you, where this down here, it balances based on your Amazon payout. So it's more accurate from that perspective. And here's another example. You could sell a $300 product, and if that product gets returned or canceled in an hour or two, it's not going to show up on this tax report, but it is going to, because it didn't affect your account balance yet. Understand that? But this is going to show you the moment it happens. So this report really gives you a glimpse of how your business is doing on a daily basis, monthly basis, even yearly basis. And they're going to be matching like pretty dang close. But this one I recommend you use for Uncle Sam. So when we scroll down here, you're going to be able to see line items of income versus expenses, all of this. So this really is going to give you in-depth detail of how your business is doing. Now, with both these reports, it's extremely important that your inventory is updated with COGS properly. So if we go here, you can update each of these individually. And what you can do, I'll pause this real quick. If you click on any item, it's going to tell you every single time you listed it, where you got it from. So maybe you picked up this book for $1 the first time from Goodwill. The second time you're using Replin Catcher, you buy it from eBay for $2.50, sell it on Amazon for hopefully a lot of money. And then BookMine, maybe you got it from BookMine one time. Wherever you got them from, you're going to document it here. You can add new replens. You can have your team do it. If you're using another software before, or maybe you list on Seller Central. I list on Seller Central sometimes when I do Chinese shipments, but I'm sure to come in here and make sure my accounting is accurate. I'm going to put, let's just say I bought some items for my private label business. What I'm going to do is go in here and put, Chinese plug is who I bought it from. Listed by, let's just say I paid Jeff down the road to list it for me. I got all these products delivered in my garage, and I paid $1.40 per item, and I bought 1,000, right? I can enter this manually here, and this is going to make my profit and loss accurate. We're going to do a first in, first out accounting. So you can see this is queued, so that means it hasn't yet sold. This is active. And then once it sells out, it's going to say depleted. So there's going to be a full story for each of your SKUs and how many times you replenished it, really what's going on there. And this is automatically going to happen for you if you're just using Go2Lister in the first place, which is really why we recommend to use it for listing. But I understand some of you guys were using other listing softwares, or maybe for whatever reason, you don't have all your COGS entered correctly. So what you can do is go to inventory, anything with no cost of goods, you're going to go in here and make sure the COGS are entered. Now, maybe for all 2025 or all your items, you on average spend $1 per item. Here's a very simple way to update all your COGS very easily. You're going to download the CSV. And I believe right now, yeah, we just updated this UI. This will be fixed in a few days, but another accurate way is to go to orders, download all your COGS, okay? And you're gonna open up this document. And if you're on a Mac, what you're gonna do is Control A, all these products, Command A if you're on a Mac, and Control A if you're on a computer, a PC, I believe. Command C, you're gonna copy all of them, open up a Google Sheet, go to the top left corner, paste them, be sure it separates them into different columns here. And then you're going to click on any of the top cells on the top row, go to this filter icon here, and it's going to filter them. For the total cost, you're going to put anything that is 0. That means there are no COGS. And now what you can do, let's just say you want to enter, on average, you pay $1.75 for all your books, enter it there. Now what we're going to do is Command Shift down. I messed that up. And then you can just enter whatever your COGS are for all of them and do Command Shift down, Command D. If you're on a computer, it's going to be Control, I believe. And now we can just download this. So go to File, Download as CSV, go back over here, go to your inventory, and now we're going to upload COGS, select CSV file, boom, we're good to go. And it'll update all your COGS here. You can also click on sales rank analysis here, and this is going to show you percent sold by rank. And this is exactly what we expect. The higher the sales rank, the less sell through we see for the last 365 days. Only 50%, that's actually pretty good, over 5 million or 3 million on this account are selling. But just as you guys would expect, down here, we can see the return on investment per sales rank, and the return on investment gets a lot higher for the higher sales rank items. So pretty cool to look at these. You can see average days to sell by rank, and we're going to have other cool stats as well for you guys, but this is just the start. So we have profit and loss, tax report, whatever questions you guys have, please message me. If you guys don't have access to this yet, message me and I'll show you guys how to get access to all these cool reports. Much love. Super excited for the future. Peace.